Welcome back, everybody. It's your rehab. Today we are going to be exercising the adductors, or the muscles that from the humerus that pull into your body. So as it comes down into the side of your body, the resistance is above. You can see it right up there. And as I come down inside my body, that trains the serratus muscle, as well as the latissimus dorsi, and there's other surrounding muscles that are exercised as well. So again, this is a great exercise because most of our stuff is lifting upward instead of like contracting and pulling down. This is a great exercise to create mobility and stability in the shoulder joint. Going back up to 90, I guess I'm not going up far enough. My shoulders are old and sore, so. But no gripping involved. That's the great thing about FLEXTEND and its AC attachment kit, is because there's no gripping involved. I don't have to hold on to anything, a dumbbell, weight, handle, nothing. Great for people with hand palsy, stroke victims, and any other hand injuries that when gripping something, it causes pain, such as a tennis elbow, carpal tunnel, things like that. So thanks a lot, and you have a great day.